Hi everyone, in this video I will show you card website tutorial for beginners. So all you have to do is go to card.co and this is what it looks like. So if you don't know what this website is, so basically this one is a website great for inspiration or starting points when you're creating your own one-page website. Okay, so for ideas, you can ask ChatGPT of what idea or what website you would like to create. So this is what it looks like. Now you can tap on choose a starting point. You can choose from any of the template right here, or you can start from scratch. So basically, I want to select the first one right here beside blank page, tap on select, and this is your template. So what you're going to do here is you have to know first the useful instruction. You have to read this one, add elements, undo previous action, redo next action, preview animation, switch to mobile view, publish site, and more actions. Once you are okay, then tap on OK, got it, and you can now start with your card.co editing. So first, of course, we will be looking for what website. So you can tap on this or you can type Cardco sample ideas. So you can look for personal portfolio or let's just say for business and services. So let's just say you will be creating a website for your restaurant website or your restaurant right here. So what you're going to do first is you have to look for the basic or samples of names. So here are the samples of names according to ChatGPT. Let me select this crimson table. This will be the name of our website. So I'm going to type or paste it right here. Okay, so paste the name of your restaurant name or website name. And then for description, you can go back to ChatGPT and ask for description. Or if you have your own description for your restaurant website, then you can just basically type it right here or just paste it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see, we have here the name of our website and then description. You can also change the appearance, okay, the color, the font, style, everything is up to you. Size, weight, line spacing, letter spacing, and so on. But once you're okay with everything, then tap on the done button right here. Okay, so once you're okay, then what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down. As you can see, there are icons below. And as you can see, there is this Twitter. So if you want to add or paste your URL here, or if you want to add your Twitter account, you just have to simply tap and then go to URL, copy your Twitter URL or link, and then paste it right here. Okay, also same with your Instagram. If you have, delete this one and then paste your Instagram URL or link. So on with your buy me a coffee and also your email. So all you have to do is to click and then paste your URL. Same thing with your email. Now, if you want to add buttons or more buttons, like if you want to add your WhatsApp right here, or if you want to add other buttons, then all you have to do is to click this, tap on add, then you will have your option for the icon. So email, fax, or location. Let's just say if you want to add your location, then all you have to do is look for location right here. Click location and then tap on done. Now here it is. This is what it looks like. You can also change this button to WhatsApp. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done with buttons right here, and then you can now start with adding pictures and photos. Now, if you have your own pictures and photos, all you have to do is to upload that. However, if you don't have one yet, then I suggest to go to Canva or create an account on Canva, and then all you have to do is to upload your picture and then add designs, add more elements, or edit it. But if you want some samples, let's just say if you don't have pictures yet. And if you see same menus here on Canva, then all you have to do is go to Canva and then search for that specific food that you want. You can also go to ChatGPT first and then look for sample recipes, like unique one, and then go to Canva, search for that picture or images that you think are useful for your card.co website. For example, this one right here, all you have to do is to tap share and then download this as PNG or JPEG, then go to card.co and then upload. So if you think that the MB is big, you can go to compress image Okay, and then upload the file right here, and then just compress the image so that you can upload this to your card.co. Okay, so as you can see, once compressed, and then you can download the image, and you can do this for the rest of the images that are a large MB or large sizes. So just go to compress to go, then compress the picture. Again, go to Canva, look for the specific image or photo that you can use for your card at Co. And then next is you can tap on share and then download. You can be very specific too, like if it's like vegetables, shrimps, or let's just say meat, you can search for that here in Canva. Just go to elements and then type the specific keyword for that. Okay, so once you're done, and then you can go back to Card.co and you can just basically upload it with the name that you have generated using ChatGPT. So as you can see, there are tons of images here that you can use. Now, if it's or if these photos or images have large MBs, just go to compress to go and then compress the photo or the images. And then once done, go back to your Card.co and then upload each. So here are my images. Now I can go back to my Card.co website and upload these images here that I have compressed. Okay, so again, tap on download each. Okay, so basically that's it. But again, if you have your own pictures and images, just upload it directly. If you want to add some designs, then go to Canva and make your images more catchy. Okay, so basically that's it. I am going to upload these images here with their names. Okay, you can also crop or select the part, which one you want to add here. Everything is up to you. Tap on accept, and then yeah, you just have to do it for the rest. Okay, so once done, you can now tap on the play button right here to see the result. And apart from that, you can also tap on the mobile view for the result. You can tap on publish if you're okay with everything. And then this is how easy it is to basically use card website for beginners. All you have to do is to add the name of your website, description, your links, and then your pictures with the name, and then publish. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.